Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
दृष्टीच्या आगवा जेलीच्या कंत्राटान भानगड आसा म्हूण दुबाव घेवंक कळंगूटचो आमदार मंत्री मायकलान कॅबिनेटान आवाज काढलो आणि प्रस्ताव फुडें धुकल्लो. मायकलाक कॉस्टिंगाचेर दृष्टीची जाप.
25 crores is being invested by the state government. Lock, stock and barrel, the monument cannot be given. I have no objection. I have told that it can be given on cleaning basis to do light and sound show. But ticketing should be our.
What GTD is given is a completed bare shell. After this, we have to bring furniture, we have to bring equipment, we have to bring climate control systems. All that costs money. That is almost equal, if not more, than what GTDC has put in for renovating the property. It takes 6 months of severe lashing from the sea in monsoons. Will mean that it will require operating expenditure also to keep it at a world-class standard. But our humble opinion is that this property will cost anyway in the range of 50 to 60 lakhs per month to maintain at a world-class level.
What they are talking about 1 crore 20 lakhs a year, I would give them 1 crore 20 lakhs every month. I'm a businessman. This calculation what they have done is wrong. I smell a rat.
Everybody has their opinion on how businesses are conducted. Well, those are personal opinions of the Honorable Minister. Creating, maintaining and also running a world-class destination comes at a certain expenditure. We believe the people of Goa's property, it is not our property. We don't see it as a commercial venture built on a profit motive. We see it as an adaptive reuse, cultural revival model for the community. So we understand what monument management and conservation comes at, and it comes expensive. 400 jobs being created out of this project. In addition to that, we see the community being involved in getting involved with operating the shuttle services. Projects on this size and nature, you will be lucky if you take back 10% of the proceeds back home. Rest of the income actually goes back to actually keeping the property and people alive.
The Drishti is an agency which is there to save the lives on the beach. Drishti cannot come into this.
We come with experience to create service infrastructure over 103 kilometers of Goa's coastline. We have saved 6,000 lives, so we understand how to deploy and manage people. We cleaned beaches of Goa for 3 years. We bid in as a consortium partner with the Trade Wings Hotels Private Limited. They come with 40 years of hospitality experience. We are also working on the upper fort, where we are working with ASI. We are providing signages, we are providing interpretation centers, we are providing fresh water, security services. This we are doing as a CSR initiative. I don't know, we work with the Kandolim Panchayat. So our engagement is with the community. So I don't know what rat the Honorable Minister is referring to.
मुख्यमंत्र्यांक प्रस्तावच ड्रॉप केला.
Was supposed to be given to Drishti for 1 crore 20 lakhs a year, which is a total fraud. काल राती CMन म्हाका सांगले की आमी तो प्रायवेटायज करचे ना. Michael, the proposal is dropped. Only sound and light show and maintenance will be given to some contractor.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.